Google is panicking. They just lost billions of dollars in a matter of hours. And it's all because of this new AI model that shocked the world. ChatGPT-5. It single-handedly unlocked Google's entire ranking algorithm. The thing they've spent trillions building has just been cracked open like a cheap lock. What if I told you that ranking on Google, for any keyword, on any site, takes just minutes? No backlinks, no content, no SEO. Sounds impossible, right? That's what Google thought too. Then ChatGPT-5 AI dropped, and all hell broke loose. Google immediately lost billions. Websites started ranking in minutes, with zero SEO. Even brand new sites shot to the top, as if Google had no choice. And for the first time ever, you can wield this same power with Apex. Hey, my name is Art, and along with my partner Palab, I'm happy to introduce to you Apex, the world's first AI operator that leverages ChatGPT-5 to force Google to rank anything in just 20 minutes. No SEO, no backlinks, no ads, not even a website. And the best part? You don't even have to write a single word. Just take a look at what happened when we tested Apex. We picked a brand new keyword, something with insane competition, something that would normally take months to rank, if it ever did. We launched Apex. 20 minutes later. Boom. Number 1 on Google. 1,569 free clicks flooding in without spending a dime. Daily commissions are rolling in on autopilot. We did this without any SEO, without a website, without writing a single word, and this is just one test. People using Apex are ranking in minutes, pulling in thousands of visitors, and turning that free traffic into real money. On demand. Let me ask you something. How much money would you make if you could rank number 1 on Google whenever you wanted? What if every article, video, or website you touched instantly ranked? What if you didn't need a website, didn't need SEO, didn't need backlinks, but still dominated Google? That's exactly what Apex does for you. For the first time ever, you can force Google to rank anything you want, on demand, in just 20 minutes. And it's all powered by ChatGPT-5 AI, the same AI that Google fears, the same AI that wiped billions off their stock value overnight. And right now, you have a chance to use it before it's too late. Apex works for anyone, no matter what you do now, no matter what your experience is, and no matter what your skills are. Apex will work for you. It works for affiliate marketers, product owners, CPA marketers, e-com, store owners, influencers, newbies, struggling marketers. Here, let me show you how easy it is to get started with Apex. Step 1. Click on any of the buttons on this page and create your Apex account. Step 2. Enter any keyword you like. Step 3. Just sit back and let Apex do all the work and force Google to rank your article, videos, website, e-com store, or anything number 1 in Google. Even if you don't have a website, it doesn't matter. Apex will host the articles you want to rank for you on SSD Ultra, fast hosting, and redirect all the clicks to you. I'm sure by now you are wondering how much it cost. It's a good question, and to be honest, considering what Apex can do for you, we can charge anything for it. I gave this app to my 14-year-old nephew, and he ranked his first link within 16 minutes and made his first affiliate sale online. It gives you unprecedented power over your competition. So it would be fair to charge $1,000, $2,000, or even $5,000 for it. But the thing is, I know that's a very high price tag for most of the people getting started. And the reason I'm even releasing this app to the market is to help the people who are getting started. So, for a limited time only, I'm giving you the chance to join Apex for a ridiculously low price. Less than the price of a Domino's pizza. But you have to act fast, because once I hit my server limit, I am taking this off the web. And trust me, this will happen very fast. What are you waiting for? Click on the link below, and let's get you started. Oh, and if you are worried about the risk, don't worry. You're covered with our ironclad 30 days money-back guarantee. It's simple. If you don't get results with Apex, just send us a message, and we will refund every penny you paid. It's as simple as that. Go ahead, click on the link below, and I will see you inside.